Good day, fellow personalization specialists. This is Lori Champagne with another quick engraving tip. Today I have an order for 250 of these screwdrivers. They're kind of spiffy little screwdrivers. You unscrew the end. There's all sorts of little screwdrivers in there. I think there's about 8 of them. I got these from Hit Promotional Products. There we go. They go into the other end and they are held in by a magnet. And then one can do your little screwdriver-y thing. And back into the end they go. And that's what they are. So the client has requested that the engraving go on the opposite side from the clip. So the engraving will be right along here. So we're going to make a 2-layered jig with the first layer having a hole for just the clip and the second layer holding onto the screwdriver itself. We're going to start by actually drawing the pen, as we can see right here, and then starting to take measurements. So we have our calipers here. We'll measure the clip. The clip is about, oops, there we go, about 0.240. We'll measure the engraving area. That's about 0.17 plus or minus. And once we have all the measurements, we have them written down, then we can get to the computer to start making the shape. The first layer, like I said, is just going to hold the clip. The second layer is going to have a rectangle, so upside down, with a little bit of an extra cutout for the screwdriver itself. These two pieces will be taped together. There we go, like that. And the pen clip will sit right inside the hole. It will sit snugly in there, so all the engraving ends up in the same place, exactly as it should be. Now I'm going to make 2 trays, not just one. The reason being is while this is being engraved, while this tray is being engraved, like that, I can be filling the second tray and getting it ready to go in, because the whole idea is to keep the laser going as much as possible. So when I pull that out, the next tray goes in that's full of the blank ones, and that will engrave. Also, once it comes out, I will be able to bag them up and should have plenty of time to get the next tray ready. Thank you very much. This is Lori Champagne reminding you to never stop creating.